Hey there, today I have another Golden Tote to unbag. So if you're not familiar with Golden Tote, they are an online boutique and every month they have a new collection of clothes that they release, and it's usually on the first Monday of the month. This time I think they released it on the first Wednesday. I think it was either Tuesday or Wednesday because there was Labor Day, and I didn't realize that. I thought they were gonna defer it to the next Monday. I didn't go online right away, so unfortunately I didn't get everything that I initially had wanted to get, but I think I did get some cute things. They always have, since it's a curated collection, they always have some really cute items, I think. So anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so this month I got a mini tote, and that's usually what I get. I like to get the mini tote and then I add on some items, because usually when I look at the collection I'm like, oh, I want this, I want this, I want this. So if you get a tote and then you add on something, it's at a cheaper price. This time I got a mini tote and 2 add-on items. So my total for this box of 4 items was $140.95. That includes shipping. Yeah, and shipping was $5.95. And every month your items come in a nice tote. And here's the tote. And wow, isn't that cute? It's very fall. It says Golden Tote, California. So I think that's nice. I have a lot of these now. And I really enjoy Golden Tote. It's one of my favorites. This and Stitch Fix. Okay. Oh, and Mix and Match. Okay, let's see what I got. It's exciting. And then, so most of the items, 3 of the items I would have chosen for myself and from the collection, and one of the items is a surprise. But let's go over all the items that I chose first. Okay, so first off is this dress. Can you see it? So it's a window pane dress, and it's by Lime and Chili, and I got a size medium. So it's just a nice, kind of a thicker knit material. It has front pockets, and it has like this kind of half sleeve, I'd say. So yeah, I thought this was cute, so I ordered this, and this was my chosen item. Okay, next was an add-on item. So I've been looking for pants, as you probably know if you watch my videos. So I saw these. I think this kind of Glen Plaid pants are really in. So let's see. I took a chance because I'm short. These could be too long, but they're by the brand Be Cool. I got a size medium. They look pretty roomy. They've got an elastic waist, which I think is good, and it has belt loops and looks like real pockets. So that's good. These look promising. Okay, next is another add-on item, and it's just a top. And I thought it had a very interesting print. I'm not even sure what this is. Is this supposed to be, looks kind of like Bird of Paradise. And it's by the brand Millibon, USA, and I got a size medium. I was kind of like, I didn't know if I should get a medium or a small, because normally for Golden Tote I just order mediums. But I thought this was pretty. I think this will look really nice with black pants. And last, here's my surprise item. Okay. Oh, this is just a basic white top, and it's by Fun to Fun, and it looks like it has like a button closure, and then yeah, it looks very very basic. And I'm pretty sure this is rayon, which isn't my favorite of materials. Yeah, 100% rayon. It's hand washed, so at least it's not a dry clean only top. But yeah, I think this is just a very basic. Maybe they sent it to me to go with my my pants. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, so those are the 4 items I got in my Golden Tote this month. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is the plaid pants. Yeah, they're pretty cute. They're a little bit snug, and they do have, oops, a cuff, so they're cute. And the top, just kind of basic. Yeah, I don't know. These pants are not flattering though. They're too tight. Yeah, and the top is it's just okay. Okay, so here is the top. well, the add-on, and you know, it does have a very, very pretty print. It's just way too big. This is a medium. I probably should have gone with a small, but I always worry that it's really hard, you know, with the sizing. Although on their Tumblr page, Golden Tote does give all the measurements for the clothes, but for me, it's like, I don't know. Even with the measurements, I still don't know what's gonna fit me. So I kind of take a guess. And medium is usually what I order, and I think that's a safe bet. But in this case, yeah. Actually, I was gonna order the small in this one. I remember I had the small in the cart, then I changed my mind and put the medium, then I was gonna change my mind and put the small again, but then the small wasn't available. That's what happened. So, but anyway, it's a beautiful blouse, but unfortunately, it's a little big. Oh, and I paired it with a black pencil skirt. Initially, I was thinking this would go well with like black dress pants for work. And I think that would look cute, but my black work pants are in the wash. Okay, so here is the window pane dress. And I don't know, I think this is cute. It's a nice length, so it's not too short, it's just right above the knee. One thing though, I noticed the stripes don't exactly match up, but I think it's okay. It's not too bad. I hope it's not too distracting. But I like that it has pockets. It's super comfy. It's like kind of a thick, it's almost like a French terry, I think. But I like it. Yeah, it's really nice. I mean, I like dresses like this because they're so easy to wear. You can just throw them on and go. And I did get a size medium, and I don't know if I could have sized down, because actually right here, shoulders feel just right. I don't like things to be too tight, and the sleeves feel just right. Yeah, I don't know if it's the most flattering. It is a little boxy, but I kind of like it, so I think this is a keeper. Okay, so that was everything I got in this month's Golden Tote. And you know, I think this is the first month, and I've been doing this for quite a while. I don't know how many totes I've had. That I wasn't completely happy with everything. Like these pants were really cute, but I don't think they really fit me just right. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to return some things. I probably returned this top. I mean, it was okay, but it just didn't wow me. And to be honest, I think that once I wash this, it's gonna shrink, and because it's rayon, and it's just too wrinkly. I just don't like to iron that much. So I'm probably gonna return these two for sure. And I'm also thinking of returning this beautiful, beautiful blouse. It is pretty, but I think the medium was I was just swimming in this thing. So I love the print though, it's gorgeous. It's just too bad. Even like this dress, I did feel it was a little big. So I don't know if it's just gonna be easier just to return the whole thing, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I've never had to return anything from Golden Tote before. I think the way it works, because everything is kind of discounted, once you return stuff, it goes up to whatever the retail boutique price. So I think, you know, this would end up being $45 versus, you know, when you get it as part of the tote, it's like $30. So yeah, the returns are not as simple as with Stitch Fix, and also you do have to pay for return shipping, but I do think they have like a label that you can print out, and they deduct that from your refund. So anyway, oh, I'm a little sad, but I still do love Golden Tote, and I'm still looking forward. Every month I look forward to seeing what their next collection is going to have. So, and they always post pictures of their next collection on their Tumblr, and that usually comes out maybe a few days before the collection actually comes out. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.